Providing extra time to a learner with learning difficulty is an example of what? Would this be letter A, modification, letter B, accommodation, letter C, segregation, or letter D, tracking? Sumpak na choice po natin dito is letter B. Okay, so letter B po ang ating hinahanap. Liligwakin na po natin dito yung segregation and tracking. Sinegregate mo, sineperate mo sila, nilagay mo sila sa ibang klase. Okay, sa ibang track, that would be your segregation and tracking. Now, ano naman po yung pagkakaiba ng modification and accommodation? Okay, so when you say accommodation, you change how a student accesses instruction. Yung ating learning expectation, learning goal is the same, pero chini-change mo yung access ng student. Ano po yung hint natin dito? Meron ka pong dalawang C's, no? And you have two C's also sa ating po access. Okay, so accommodation, binibigyan mo ng access to learning, no? Binibigyan mo ng ibang paraan ng pagli-learn yung isang student with special needs. Okay, so that would be accommodation, pero hindi mo binago yung inyong learning objective. Now, what about your modification? Modification naman po natin, you change what the student is going to learn. Okay, so changing what the student is expected to learn. So, kumbaga, binago mo talaga yung learning objective niya. Okay? So, course or activity expectations are modified to meet the needs of the student. Yung hint naman po natin, meron kang isang C dyan. And of course, your C also has, or change, also has one C.